fried beans and I don't want to eat them any other way. In a pressure cooker, let's start by adding 2 cups of beans. It can be any kind of beans you prefer. Let's add enough water to cover them. And we're going to cook these beans for 25 minutes, just until they're al dente. They can't be too soft as soon as they're cooked. Now let's fry them in hot oil. When they're frying, as soon as each batch is done, you can remove them and set them on paper towels. Remember, after the beans cook, drain them before frying to avoid splattering and risk of burns. So you don't get burned, now in a frying pan, let's add a tablespoon of butter or margarine. We'll add a little olive oil, stir and wait until the butter is completely melted. Now I'm going to add half a chopped onion and 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Let's stir and wait until they start to brown. When they reach that point, let's remove them, and now let's put everything on top of our already fried beans. Remember guys, I didn't use all the beans here, and now I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning, a bit of salt for the beans, a bit of black pepper. Remember, the seasonings are to your preference, and now it's just mix well, and guys, it's ready. Just start and you'll love this super different bean that is delicious. Make it at your home. I'm sure everyone will love it, and I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from the poor guy in the kitchen. A big hug till next time, and thanks.